Hi guys, today we're gonna discuss last big classic looking fast Jaguar, which is XJR model of X350 generation. Nowadays you can purchase this car for about 10k, and I believe that it would double in price very shortly. Of course, only if you are going to keep it in a very good condition, which is, to be honest, not very easy, because this is a technically complicated car. The only old-fashioned thing in this car is its design, because even the body is fully aluminium. And you probably know that it is extremely hard to repair some body part which is made from aluminium. It is not a steel, it is not so easy to repair and repaint. The suspension installed in this car is also quite modern, and it's still in use in the modern models of Jags. 4.2 supercharged Jaguar engine is quite reliable, but only with a good maintenance. If you change oil every 7-8,000 kilometers, if you service and clean cooling system, then the engine can last for more than 200,000 kilometers. But if you go for the standard maintenance, let's say every 12 or 15,000 kilometers, I believe it would be dead on 100,000. XJR is a great car to drive, however, you shouldn't expect too much from its 395 horsepower. Yes, the car has an R badge, but you cannot compare it with AMG Mercedes or BMW M series. According to the official technical data, it should accelerate from 0 to 100 in 5.3 seconds. However, usually in reality, it would be more than 6 seconds. And of course, in the modern world, it's not a fast car, if we talk about large saloon cars with V8. But as a daily driver, it would be, of course, a very fascinating and very fun to drive car. And let's be honest, the only thing why you consider buying Jaguar XJR is only its design. And let's say a great thank you to Jaguar designers, because while all other brands like BMW and Mercedes tried to do some fashionable at that time bio design, they made a classic looking car. And maybe that wasn't the right decision at that time, because if we look at production numbers of all XJs, there were less than 84,000 cars produced. Of course, BMW 7 Series of E65 generation or S-Class of W220 generation was much more successful at that time. But nowadays, a person who drives W220 looks a little bit strange, because, per my opinion, it is not a good looking car at all. And if you drive an XJR, that usually means that you have a great taste. By the way guys, if you enjoy this video, please press the like button and subscribe for more about cars and money. XJR model of X350 generation was in production starting from 2003 up to 2009. There were two facelifting of this model in 2005 and 2007. However, I believe that the design of cars changed not so much. So what about nowadays prices? So they start at approximately 10k. And it's only a starting price, so if you are looking for a car in great condition, probably you would find it around 15k. However, even nowadays you can find cars for sale for 50,000. Of course, today it's not the price to sell the car, but I believe that the car prices on XJR will increase dramatically. There were less than 20,000 XJRs produced, and it's quite a rare model. And also, let's keep in mind that the car is made of aluminium, and that means that any quite serious damage and accident means that you wouldn't be able to repair the car properly. So the number of cars is decreasing. You wouldn't find anything in this generation and these years so classic looking, and it's British. Why it wouldn't be a next classic car? Please comment below what do you think about Jaguar XJR in general, and whether it is going to be a future classic. Thank you and see you soon. And press the like button if you enjoyed.